Let's examine another Dell PowerEdge T630 build. This time, we've configured it with significantly higher specifications for our client. If you require additional details, feel free to refer to our previous T630 video. From the front view, you'll notice that all 18 hard drive slots are now populated. Let's remove one of the hard drives for examination. These drives are 10 terabytes in size and use SAS and 4KN format. We adjusted the block size to 512 and updated the firmware on all drives to the latest version. In total, we now have 180 terabytes of raw storage. Let's explore the back of the system. At the top, we've added two cards. The first one is the Dell Boss card, which isn't officially supported on this system. However, since we're not using RAID, it works perfectly for us. We've installed Ubuntu Server on the Dell Boss card. The second card is the NVIDIA Quadro P1000, equipped with 4 mini display ports. Dell doesn't officially endorse this video card for output, but we'll cover how to add a video card to the Dell T630 in a separate video. Additionally, we've included 2 extra network cards at the bottom of the server, a dual 1 gigabit network card and a dual 10 gigabit network card. On the motherboard, there are also 2 1 gigabit network ports and an iDRAC port. Lastly, we've upgraded the power supplies to 1600 watts. Let's now explore the memory configuration of this system. We've installed 16 memory modules, each with 64 gigabytes, resulting in a total of 1 terabyte of memory. Additionally, there are empty memory slots available, allowing us to add more memory later if needed. Please keep in mind that only ECC-registered memory is supported by Dell T630. Let's examine one of the memory modules more closely. This particular module is Hynix memory running at 2400 MHz, which is an ideal match for our CPUs. As you can observe, there's extra space on the motherboard to accommodate 8 additional memory modules, allowing for an additional 512 gigabytes of memory. This provides us with the flexibility to add more memory if needed. This system boasts an abundance of PCI ports. We've installed 2 network cards at the server's base. The lower network card is a dual-port 10 gigabyte card, while the upper one is a dual-port 1 gigabyte card. Each CPU is a 22-core E5-2699 version 4, resulting in a total of 44 cores and 88 threads. These CPUs excel in virtualization and database workloads. Additionally, we've integrated the Dell HBA 330 RAID controller, which operates in IT mode. We'll manage the 18 disks using software RAID within the Ubuntu Server operating system. Ensuring matching disks and firmware is crucial to avoid any issues with the RAID configuration. For video output, we've installed a video card supporting 4 mini display ports. Our client requested 4 monitors. Interestingly, we've also set up Ubuntu Desktop on this server, a somewhat uncommon choice. Keep an eye out for our separate video discussing this non-officially supported card, as we experimented with different options and card placements. Adjacent to the video card, we've installed the Dell dual-port M2 SATA SSD Boss card, where we've loaded the operating system. In summary, while it can be challenging to find the Dell PowerEdge T630 in an 18-bay configuration, the investment is worthwhile. As demonstrated in this video, you can equip this system with up to 44 cores and 1.5 terabytes of memory. Additionally, you have the flexibility to add 18 20-terabyte hard drives, resulting in a whopping 360 terabytes of raw storage. Despite its computational power, this system remains relatively quiet and power efficient, making it suitable for home lab environments and large databases. Overall, we highly recommend the Dell PowerEdge T630 to our customers. If you're interested, there's also a newer server, the Dell PowerEdge T640, that comes in an 18-drive configuration. We can create another video specifically covering the Dell T640 if you'd like.